cute. Wow, I have company. I guess I'm not solo paddling. Awesome. Gotta be careful now. I don't want to hit them with my paddle. It's a beautiful day. Oh, I'm not going to put the music on yet. I'll wait for a while. What do you know? I have two buddies here showing me the way. Go ahead, show me the way. I guess they figured, let's keep this lady company, just in case she's all by herself. I appreciate it, guys. Just stay clear of my paddle, okay? Because I need to watch where I am going. I don't want to hit you guys with my paddle. Beautiful day. Wow. I've heard that these birds follow the kayakers around here. But it's nice. I'm gonna have to get a picture of one of you guys. Get my camera out. Where's your buddy? Oh, there you are. There you are. You guys are too cute. You guys are way too cute. I love it. So I gotta finish setting up my little camp here. I'm not gonna open the umbrella, at least not yet. I got my little camp chair here. My drinks. I'm gonna put the music on in a few minutes. I come prepared. I got crackers. Where's my shrimp? Twinkies, of course. A few nuts. All these are water bottles and energy drink. And this here. Guess what I'm doing? I'm eating. Bon appetit. Don't ask what I have in that cup.